Okay, I have no idea what's going on. Now we're on part 3. But anyway, there's that. And then I am going to do kitty corner, I think. So same idea, but I don't know why this is turning off. So, all right, well, I'll do my best. I'll put them all up. There we go. So again, just to reiterate, all these Digikits are going to be available in my Etsy shop. All the links are down below, or just go to my Etsy shop. If you can't find my Etsy shop, then just go to www.thepaperoutpost.com, and that will take you to my individual Etsy shop. It will only show you my stuff, so you don't get confused buying other people's stuff. Or you can just randomly search for me on Etsy, and you will pull up some of my stuff, but it will be intermixed with other people's stuff. So just be aware of that if you're purchasing things. Okay, there we go. So then once that dries, then I can place other items in there. But I do feel like I want to. Now I really can't do much because it's wet, right, Pam? There you go. That's the situation. So we're just going to have to wait for that to dry. There's where patience comes in. Okay, so it looks like I'll be seeing you back beginning of February. Looking forward to a good, happy healing, and wishing you all the best until then. And I will be thinking about you nonstop, I promise. And then my videos will come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. My Etsy shop will still remain up and running. You're going to find journals and bundles and kits and bundles. If I'm able to make journals and bundles, and kits, I will put them in there, and I will notify you either through the community tab on my main channel page, or through social media, or through my newsletter. So that's how you'll hear from me. And then my Digikits are still for sale in my Etsy shop, even though the videos and podcasts are not running. And then my FUNDLEs, which are collections of old and interesting paper, are still for sale during January through my Etsy shop. And my print and mail service, I may turn off for possibly the first half of January and just kind of reassess how I feel. If I feel up to it, then I will go back to printing some if you guys want that. And that service will come back once I'm up and mobile again. So we'll just put maybe that on pause for a little bit. Okay, so all is well. Hoping all is well with you. I do have an Amazon shop for favorite tools and supplies that you see me use here. It does help my shop, but you do not pay more for the items for using my links. So thank you very much for your support. And I have a merchandise shop. If you like the phrase "create with reckless abandon," or "everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise," you can get that on a t-shirt, sweatshirt, zip hoodie, mug tote, or water bottle. And you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun doing weekly and monthly challenges over there. And also, remember most of all that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. I'll miss you, but I'll be with you in spirit. And we go on from here. Take care, everyone, and happy crafting. Wait a minute. We do have a special guest in the house today. Come here. Oh, look who I found. And guess what? Guess what?
Hello, this is Sunshine, Junior Cub Pup reporter, and I got a haircut. Yes, I knew it was coming. I knew I was due, and I got a bubble bath, and I got a haircut, and they were told short ears, short snout, short beard, short tail. I'm just like all about the short, because Mom says that my hair grows very fast, and I'm a little embarrassed initially because I feel a little naked, and it's December, and I don't have much to show for it. No, there's not much. Let me show. That's all we got with the paws. Yeah, and that's all I got. So I'm growing it back. I'm eating my kibble, and Mom said that's the fastest way to grow it back. But I told her it was really her chicken that would help grow it back faster. And then Mom said she wasn't sure if she wanted it to grow back faster, because then we have to go to the groomer again. And we know how Sunshine loves to go to the groomer. So there you go. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you soon.